Hello everybody, welcome back. You may or may not have seen, but Hunkydory have just released their Goody Boxes for this year. And I have accidentally bought two because quite frankly I have no willpower. And I've got my helper with me to help unbox them today. Who is smiling and not talking right now. So we're going to do both of these together. And she is going to help us discover what is inside these boxes. Okay, so I also ordered the members free gift that is currently on the system. And I believe this is quite Easter themed, so I thought that was quite apt. Let's have a look. Look how cute. It's all bunnies.
Hello.
Okay. So I've got the Hoppy Days members free gift. We might look at that separately. Right. Which box do you want to open? This one or this one? This one?
Yeah.
This one here. Okay, we'll do this one first then. Okay. Okay, so what we're going to do, I'll slice this open and then we're not going to look. I'm just going to reach inside and pull things out and then we'll talk about what we've pulled out.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're not going to look. Okay, good. Okay, let's see what is inside our first box.
Can I look?
No, it's a surprise. Neither of us look. But, you know, you might get some things from these boxes if you're really good.
I'm not looking.
Okay.
I'll look at my hands.
Okay, so the first thing we've got to do is take out the brown paper and the voucher, because there's a voucher in here. So I'm going to just do that quick. So with each box you get a voucher, and you can use that all the way through April, I believe. So I'll have two of those, which I'll be able to use. Right, shall we reach in for the first item? Okay, ready. Have a rummage. Oh! Got a glue stick. Always useful. I really like these.
Yeah, it's a purple glue stick.
Yeah, it's because it's Hunkydory. You don't have to put your hands over your eyes. You just don't look. Right, what's this one going to be? Oh, we've got
Stamp.
a stamp.
Oh, I love them.
Warm wishes.
100%.
Lovely.
Lovely.
And you're one of a kind.
Mum, can I show you the one I love?
Yeah.
I love that one.
Uh-huh.
It's my favourite.
Is it?
Favourite of all.
Okay. So this is, I don't know if it's got a name. Oh look, it's like a layering stamp.
Oh yeah, I like that.
Yeah, that's cool, isn't it?
Yeah, that's very cool.
Should we play that later?
Yeah, let's do that later. But first, we eat them and
Hold on, let's get another item. There's something very heavy in here that I'm trying to pull out, but I can't get it. So we'll go for this thing instead, which is, oh, we've got, oh yay, silhouette wildflowers.
wow.
I love that.
Wait, I'm going to study flowers as well. But can I show you the one I just love the most?
Yeah.
Wait, can you turn it on the back? I really like. Wait, no. I like basically all of them.
Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Okay, good to know.
Yeah, I really like the colours.
I really want to get this heavy item out because.
Oh, I don't want to look. Oh.
Brush markers. And
it is rainbow.
Yeah.
I love rainbow.
It's because it's prism. So I actually have all of these.
And I have the sparkly ones.
Okay. Yeah, so I think I've actually got all of these unless they've added to the range. But I like their brush markers.
Yeah.
So happy with those. So
I am looking up at the ceiling.
Okay. Right, now we've got...
Oh.
I can't do this. Oh, hold on, what's this that's hiding? Oh, ooh, an ombre ink pad.
Ooh, ink.
In purples.
I love the middle.
Yeah.
I love the middle.
Okay. Well, that's cool.
Yeah. Very cool.
Might be one for you. We'll see. You have to be very good. Okay. Let's see. We're going to try and pull out this next thing. Oh my goodness, this is huge. What on earth is this?
That is cool papers. Oh.
Sporting pastime.
I love bike riding.
Yeah. This is a card making kit. So you've got your toppers.
Oh. Horse riding.
That's horse racing, darling.
I love horse racing.
So this is good for men because look, it's all the things men like: football, horse racing, golf, cars. That's a good pad to have. And then it's got your toppers. It's got your cardstock.
I like horse riding. Basically, my thing. Horse riding is basically my thing. Birdie fly, birdie fly, fly, birdie fly.
Right, let's see what else is in here. Oh, look at this, pretty. I don't know if I'm putting one or two things out here.
Wow.
I've got two. Pop-up steppers. Yeah, I like these. Pop-up steppers. We've got the champagne one. Oh, that's nice.
I love.
It's a budgie.
That. I love that.
It's a budgie.
What's a budgie?
That is.
Oh, budgie.
Oh, that's cool. I like those. Happy with those? Might make these up tonight. Right, let's see what the next thing is. Oh, I think you'll like this one. Look at the little lambs. A spring is here decollage set. Oh, I've got two things. Oh my goodness, look at them.
Yeah. I really like the avocado and the teapot house and the calculator.
Okay. That's really fun.
I like it.
I like the decollage as well with the lambs.
Look! Oh, I love that.
Yeah. Right, let's see what else we've got.
Okay. Why can't I look?
I just said don't look in the box. I didn't say don't look at all. Oh, this is the last thing in this box.
Wow. I love blue tips, you know.
Special, dear. We get a lot of those, don't we? Special Centipeters Slider Card Reveal Kit.
Wow.
Look at that.
Envelopes. I could even borrow some envelopes.
Oh, could you?
Yeah, I love envelopes.
This is cool.
Yeah, cool. Yeah.
I don't know, is it all birds? I guess it's lots of different pictures.
I like blue tips. They're very fun.
Okay.
But robins are actually my thing.
That's like the last of that box. So in box one we got a secret centerpiece slider reveal kit.
Yeah.
We got Pandaful Moments topper set. We got a Brilliant Birthday decollage kit. We got
Wait, can I say
Time
this
to Celebrate.
Can I say this?
Pop-up steppers.
Wait, can I say this one? Beautiful birds. We've got Budgie Blossom decollage set. Big set.
We got the Sporting Pastimes.
Yeah, sports.
Got a glue stick.
Purple.
We got the Prism ombre ink pad.
Purple as well.
We got the markers.
Rainbow.
We got the dies. We got the stamp set. And we got my Members Free gift wasn't part of that box. So that was a really good box, I think.
Yeah, that was very good.
Should we see what's in the last one?
Yeah.
Okay, so accidentally hit the wrong button and cut the video halfway through. So hopefully I can stitch it all together and this won't need to be 2 parts. But we're on box number
2.
Okay, let's open this up and see what's inside. Alright, first things first, got to take out the voucher and the brown paper. Okay, let's see what's in this box. No way! We've got more brush markers!
Can I have them?
Can you have them? Well, I don't know. I need to check and see if they've added to the range or not. I have a feeling I have got these actually, but we'll see. Right, next thing. What is this going to be? Oh, what's that? Build a bouquet, vintage petals. Mm.
Yeah, I wonder what that is.
So 12 gold foiled card fronts, 12 silver foiled card fronts even, 12 black printed card fronts, and ink me cardstock. So look, it's like a...
Wow. And that's a bag. No, basket.
Basket, yeah.
Yeah, silly me.
Okay, we'll have a look at that. Right, let's see what else. Oh,
Ooh.
that's a cool stamp, isn't it?
Yeah, it says for the love of stamp.
And then what's this one say?
Pretty vases.
Well done. So it's all different vases with sentiments.
Yeah, I like that.
Mm.
Wait, no.
Okay.
I don't like that.
Let's see. Oh, there's something else hiding around here. What's this? Oh, it's another ombre ink pad, this time in
But
yellow.
yellow.
Mm. You like ombre ink pads, don't you?
Yeah. Yeah, but I like the pen small.
Oh, well. See what this is.
Ooh, flowers.
Build a bouquet, vintage petals.
Yeah, I like petals.
Alright. It's all like die cuts in different
Yeah.
colours.
Wow.
Looks fun, doesn't it?
Yes, so cool.
That would go really well with that. Build a bouquet, vintage petals.
Yeah.
Build a bouquet, vintage petals. So it's like a kit.
Yeah.
Right.
It's like a kit. I love you.
I love you too. Let's see what's next.
Yeah. Ow.
Let's see, what's this?
Papers. Wait, can I read it?
Oh,
So it says special days. Hug in a mug.
now do you know what? I actually did this launch when I was still on the design team.
Yeah, I like that one.
So I think I still have this topper set. So you might be allowed to have this one.
Oh, yay. I love that.
Do
I
you?
love that. Yeah.
Oh, we like those custard creams, don't we?
Yeah.
So yeah, I might let you have this one to play with. We'll see.
Ugh.
Well, let's see what's next. Oh, what's this one? Oh my goodness.
Let me read it.
No, I definitely did this one because I made a card with this.
Special days, home in where the heart is.
Home is where the heart is. It's another topper set.
Mama, kissy. Yeah, I forgot.
Right, so
I always forget. I like that one. Yeah.
okay, well, I definitely did the launch for this. So I think this is going to be definitely one for you, okay?
Yeah.
Okay,
It's blue my favourite colour.
let's see what's next.
Ooh.
Oh,
Fun life.
yeah, I love
Yeah,
this.
I love that.
Stained glass, wonderful wildlife. So I've
Yeah.
got in here
Fishing kit.
foiled die cut top sheet, a cardstock, and a printed cardstock.
Yep.
I really like that. That's
Yeah.
really pretty.
Yeah.
You're not having that one. That's for me.
Yeah, that's for you.
Oh, I can feel. What's this?
Purple pen.
Oh no, it's a glue pen.
Ooh, blue pen.
Oh, I definitely use that. I like these quickie glue pens. I haven't had the Hunkydory one.
Have I got the light pink glue pen?
No.
Oh, it's just a pen. Sometimes it sticks.
Let's see what else. Oh my goodness. Oh, I think everyone watching the video just saw inside the box. Oh, we have some cardstock.
Yeah.
Nice.
Green and pink.
Possibly some other shades as well.
Maybe blue and red, purple.
Anyway,
And yellow.
very useful to have.
Yeah.
Seeing if there's anything hiding. Tell you what's this.
Wonderful woodpecker decollage.
Love that. We get these in our garden.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
If we're lucky.
Yeah.
Do you know who will like that?
Who?
Mummy's friend Zoe.
Wait, I like woodpeckers. Yeah.
So, yep, that's one for Mummy, I'm afraid. Right, let's see what this last thing is. I think it's the last thing. We'll check in a minute. Oh,
In the countryside.
this is,
Oh, so cute.
yeah, a card making kit. So you've got all your toppers, your cardstock, your inserts, everything's in here.
Wow.
Love that.
Cute.
I'm going to have fun playing with that. Right, let's check in the box. Is there anything else hiding? No.
Nope.
We're all done.
Yay!
So, shall we just check back what was in that box?
Yeah.
So we had in the countryside, woodpeckers,
Yep, woodpeckers. Colourful paper. Pod life. Home is what the heart is. Hung in a mug. Hug in a mug.
build a bouquet kit,
Yep.
link pegged, another build a bouquet vintage petals.
Yep. For the love of stamps.
Glue pen.
Yep, glue pen, purple glue pen actually. Rainbow pens, rainbow prism.
Yeah, brush markers, and that was it. I think we did quite well.
Yeah.
Yeah. So that was my two Hunkydory Goody Boxes. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Thank you to my little helper for helping me today. I think we're going to go and divvy up the spoils, and I'll hopefully be back soon with some videos using the kits to make some cards. So thank you very much for watching today, and I will see you soon. Bye for now.